Father-in-law hitting father-in-law
Oh,
by
it
hammer.
meant the hammer, my lord.
There's no such, my lord. No
I
hammer.
have
can use
videos
no-
to that effect also.
My lord, those FIRs are there. That also, my lord, we have.
Why 5 FIR?
My lords, the problem is this, my lords. Now, my lords, the in-laws, my lords, they live on the first floor. I live on the ground floor. My lords, I instituted proceedings under the Domestic Violence Act. I had
Okay.
protection orders, my lords.
Yes.
An appeal was filed, my lords, by my husband.
Uh,
My lords, a stay order was obtained.
all right. Granted,
Granted, my
not
lords.
obtained. Yes.
Sorry, granted, my lords. I sought for, my lords, modification.
Hmm.
To the extent, my lords, that the protection orders may remain in force. Whatever was the maintenance given, that may be reconsidered, my lords. I had served a copy on my learned friend on 9th, my lords, to have the matter listed on the same day. My lords, I moved the.
Which are those matters? Give me.
Yes,
Give me all the matters.
Please.
We'll
There are
put a
four
quietus
matters,
to all
my lord.
these problems.
482, there's four. My lord, I may just suggest one thing, my lord. Now that the situation is such that they have registered an FIR against me, 5th FIR, I've registered an FIR against them. My lord, I've spoken
We'll
to
give
my
a
learned friend.
quietus to everything. You just give me all the numbers.
My lord,
Kudil.
my lord, if there's a possibility, we'll refer it to mediation, my lord, because if there's a possibility,
There
I've
is-
given him an
I'm
offer as
not
well.
coming in the way of settlement, my
All
lords.
right. Now,
I've given him an offer as well.
the parties to the list are in scope, the father-in-law and the daughter-in-law
Everyone, my lord.
and other
Mother-in-law,
members of the
mother-in-law,
family
son-in-law,
are in deep squabble.
son, sorry, not son-in-law.
All right. The learned counsel appearing for the petitioner and the respondent would in unison submit that if the parties are referred to mediation, possibilities of they could explore the possibilities of settling the dispute and giving a quietus to all the problems. The learned, therefore, the parties to appear before the Karnataka Mediation Center. Friday hoಗ್ತೀರಾ 13th.
Next week.
Friday the 13th, ಬೇಡ. Will
Next week.
It's not a good day.
It's very ominous. The
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ Friday the
relationship is bad
13th
to
will
begin
not
with, my
send
lord,
you.
bada.
Yes.
My lords,
Next week, my lord.
20th, my lords.
List on to appear before the Karnataka Mediation Center on the 20th.
Yes.
List the matter on 25th in the fresh matters list. If nothing comes about, numbers ಕೊಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ criminal petition numbers ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರಿ, will tag everything, will
Yes.
close it.
Yes, ma'am. Right now, my lords, there are
Enough
only
of
two-
father-in-law and
My lord,
daughter-in-law
20th,
fighting.
my
Yes.
lord, looking at the number of disputes which they have, 20th, it will not happen in one session for sure. my lord.
No problem. You take your time.
ಅಲ್ಲ,
But
ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ
I will give
20th ನಾನು ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ
ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ ಬೇಡ. ನೀವು ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
please.
But don't report a next crime being registered.
I'm hoping they won't, my lord. 5 FIRs against us.
Yes. No
equal,
sixth.
my lords, equally filed by them against.
I don't have any.
No
JP
sixth
Nagar
from both the
police
sides.
station, my lord, ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಗೀಚಿದ್ರೆ they register an FIR for that.
No sixth from both the sides. I'll
I
take
will
it on
before my
25th.
lords, my lord, we're already filing 480 for the other one.
All right. Yes.
Please.
They have
Yes.
not yet been filed. We have to file those other two 482s, my lords.
Whatever.
Bagin, fire
Everyone
register
that-
again.
First ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಟ್ಲ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿ.
Yes, my lord.
Please, grateful.
Highly grateful. my lord.
Intermodal ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಇದೆ.
Intermodal subsisting shall continue till the next date of hearing.
14 and 14.1. Both.
ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ? If any.
ಎರಡು, both.
Interim order, if any, comma, in any, shall continue
In
to
all?
the next date of hearing.
Both.
All right.
Please.
Yes.
Highly obliged, my lord.
Obliged.
Next, yes. Compounding, POXO ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು.
Child marriage.
376.
Child marriage, 76.
Jagdish? Huh? No,
She's
at the time of incident, 15, huh?
6.
I will not settle. Don't worry about the child. The state will take care. We will direct the state to take care. We will not settle. ಇದು ಮ್ಯಾರೇಜ್ ಆಗಿರೋದಾ?
Marriage.
ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಮುಂಚೆನಾ?
Incident ಮುಂಚೆ.
ಮುಂಚೆ
Child marriage act.
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ
Before.
ಕೊಡಿ.
The victim herself is a complainant.
One minute. Victim herself may be the complainant. You got married first or the incident first?
Got married first.
Who got you married?
Parents.
In this case, you take the parents into, in the sense we will haul the parents into crime. Henceforth, parents should not register the crime. This should be a lesson to them. They go on getting the children married, notwithstanding the fact that they are less than 18. And madhu admele offense will come about.
Marriage act, the parents should be allowed to.
No, parents should be brought to books in this case. We'll bring the parents. Why are you panting? Parents and takshana.
No, I just came
You
back.
came running. Okay, fine.
And there's an inordinate delay of 16 months. She was residing with petition number one.
That's all right. Parents should not indulge in these things. They should stop.
They're also.
They are also accused, true. But they are responsible for getting the children married at an underage and bring them into POCSO. Then religion permits, adu illa. Yes, we'll see. We'll list it on Friday, 13th. Idu judgment is idu kalsi madam. Yes, next.
16.
Lord, appearing for the petitioner. My Lord, this is that 363 matter. It may be taken up next week. My Lord, will report settlement with regard to that. 17 years jail marriage.
Aಯ್ತು ನೋಡ ಇದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ list on 20th.
Please.
Yes. Next.
17.
Lord, there was an interim order not to frame charge till then, my Lord.
16. ಮೇಡಮ್ ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡೋ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ.
Please. Grateful.
20.
16 year 9.
ಇದು ಅದೇನಾ 20th. Yes.
18.
For petition, my lord.
Year 10.
After
16
major,
years.
after major, the marriage has been taken care.
So what?
The second FIR also registered, my lord. And they married, my lord.
Look into this judgment of the Supreme Court latest. I cannot settle a single case.
Now she's around 19-year-old.
What to do? Supreme Court, sir. Yes, 20th.
Interim order.
Interim order subsisting shall continue till the next date of hearing.
Serial number 19 to 23 is to be connected with serial number 5.
ಏನ್ ದಿಲೀಪ್ ಇದು?
Same.
ಪೋಕ್ಸೋ.
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 421 ಅಲ್ಲಿ they have issued a NBW. I mean, they are trying to arrest a accused in FLW.
ವೈಆರ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ?
2 lakhs something ಇದೆ.
In 138 proceeding.
ಹೌದು.
You are the accused.
I am the accused.
The matter was settled, is it?
Matter was settled.
Settled where?
Settled in the court only. The court has acquitted the accused.
On settlement, you are acquitted.
ಹೌದು.
Amal, you did not adhere to the settlement?
I could not make the
You could
complete
not come.
payment.
You are convicted, is it?
It is not convicted. It's
Ah.
acquitted.
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 Acquitted on account of settlement.
And then,
Acquittal ಮುಂಚೆ ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು?
my lord, initially it was the court has,
Proceeding pending ಇತ್ತ, conviction ಆಗಿತ್ತ?
it was economic submission.
Conviction ಆಗಿತ್ತು.
Conviction ಆಗಿತ್ತು. We went up to
I
appeal.
will restore conviction now.
No, no,
You
my-
will be taken into custody. If any accused will come before the court and settle the issue and get away with the conviction and later on breach the settlement or terms of the settlement that are arrived before the court,
It was not
I
intentional.
will restore conviction in every case. Accused cannot roam around free after having settled the matter and showing that the complainant will get back his money.
I do agree, my lord.
ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ?
My lord, the different amount, my lord, in each and case. In this case, there is a 4 lakh.
Total ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ?
Total would be around 58.
Victim comes forward to say that yes, I will settle, seeing that he will get some money, and immediately after the settlement you walk away with nothing
There was-
and roam around free. ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೂ ಯಾರ ಕೈಗೂ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ. I will restore conviction now.
No, the different case, my lord, where the
Definitely restore conviction in such cases. You get acquitted by a process of law, not by settlement.
not intentionally, my lord.
Intention was deceit only. Otherwise you would have adhered to the terms of settlement. Yes, sir. What do you want? ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? Total ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ?
Total would be around 60 lakh.
16,
60.
60. ಈಗ 30 lakhs deposit ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
We have
Stay
already
ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
deposited 20%, my lord,
Where?
in the lower court.
That is
Zero.
148A proceedings. ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು.
ಇಲ್ಲ.
And settlement, sir, settlement ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ condition precedent is that 20% should be deposited. So you have deposited. There cannot be a settlement without 20% being deposited.
No, before that only the matter was settled, my lord.
No problem.
Even before
ಈಗ
conviction, the
ಆಯ್ತು,
matter was settled.
another 30%.
But-
I will state only if you deposit 30% on the rest, 50 is 30, 20 lakhs.
ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, but reasonable time may be.
No, sir, you are an accused who has breached the settlement and is walking free. And in victim settle ಮಾಡೋದಲ್ದೆ,
Right.
go before the executing courts, go roam around for getting the matter executed, the decree executed.
This is a project, my
ಆಯ್ತು,
lord.
FLW, sir.
This is a project, my lord, where the house they have wanted to buy, And then, Your Honor, there is a dispute between the landlord and the,
ಏನಾರು ಇರ್ಲಿ, you have settled the dispute, you better obey the settlement. Otherwise, I'm going to restore conviction.
30% reasonable time.
20%. List the matter on 27th September in the fresh matters list.
For 4
There
weeks,
shall be
4 weeks.
there shall be an interim order of stay of any kind of warrant hanging on the head of the petitioner, subject to the condition that he would deposit 20 lakhs of the amount by the next date of hearing. List on 30th anta ಮಾಡಿ. 30th in the fresh matters list.
30% at the moment.
ಬೇಡ 20 lakhs. Yes. All tag all these petitions, madam.
But the serial number 5 is connected with all these matters.
5
Oh,
5 ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಔಷಧ ಮೇಡಮ್ 5 ಜೊತೆಗೆ
19 to
19
23.
20 21 22 23 all together. Yes. Next.
24. Petitioner, my lord.
Along with council submission,
I filed joint memo
settlement,
Yes.
offense,
of folks,
also
marriage,
marriage,
marriage was done.
Age?
Registered at the time of incident, 17 years, 7 months. There,
17/7. Then day after tomorrow. Yes. Don't get the parties until I tell you, madam. In POCSO cases, please don't get the parties. Only if I tell that there can be a settlement, then get the parties. List day after tomorrow. Yes.
25.
appearing for petitioner, my lordship.
Huh? ಅವ್ರು ಆ ಕೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಏಜ್ ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
Birth certificate.
My lordship, she's turned 18 years, my lordship.
Where is the birth certificate? ಇದು ಪೊಕ್ಸೋನಾ?
Aadhaar card is filed, my lordship.
ಆಧಾರ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಬೇರೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಕೊಡಿ. ಇದು don't get the parties till I tell you. List day after tomorrow.
My lordship, latest order sheet, my lordship.
ಕೊಡಿ. Yes. Counsel with the petitioner files the complete order sheet maintained before the court. Same is taken on record. Next. Day after.
Obligation.
Madam, separate list ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ ಪೊಕ್ಸೋದೆಲ್ಲ. Day after tomorrow.
Mapping for petition in this,
ನಾಡಿದ್ದು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾಡಿದ್ದು ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
mapping for petition in this case ಮಾಡೋದು.
ಹಾ?
Petition in this case ಮಾಡೋದು.
17 years.
ಇದು day after tomorrow. ಜಗದೀಶ್ separate list ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. You get ready in all those cases. Yes, next.
27.
Sir, for second respondent, SPP may be directed to take notice. He is a medical officer.
Age proof of the victim, my lord, is
ನಿಮ್ದು ಪೊಕ್ಸೋನಾ?
Child marriage and folks.
ಆಯ್ತು.
age.
My lord, 18
Age
years
proof ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟು day after tomorrow will take. Learned additional SPP is directed to accept notice for the second respondent petitioner to produce the proof of age of the victim by the next date, day after tomorrow. Next.
28.
for petitioner.
ಇದು ಅದೇನಾ?
11.
For petitioner, sir. 311
Seven.
application reject ಆಗಿದೆ sir.
ಆಫೀಸ್ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನು?
Petitioner number 2 and 4, name wrongly mentioned some names.
311 application rejection. Will dispose it tomorrow.
TW
List tomorrow in the fresh matters list.
ಸ್ವಾಮಿ 13/9 ಡೇಟ್ ಇದೆ ಸರ್.
13
9 ಡೇಟ್ ಇದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
13/9. ನಾಳೆ ಏನು? 10 ಅಲ್ವಾ? 13ಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ತಾನೆ? ಆಯ್ತು, ನಾಳೆ. ಎಸ್.
29.
By special order. Why?
Yes, last time it was.
Bail matter. Yes.
324,
Not seven.
307, 506.
Today. Tomorrow in the fresh matters list. Give the records. One more day. Tomorrow.
5 months in the. ಒಳಗೆ.
Tomorrow. Yes. Records ಕೊಡಿ.
30.
Vacating interim order.
Petitioner, my lord.
Today it has to be heard under today. It's not possible.
My lord,
Not to.
is a case of accidental fall, my lord. They have given a color of 302 it is. My lord, a FIR, my lord, was registered as an UDR initially. Let me hear the facts, my lord. My lord, it is a death of wife, my lord. my lord, wife, husband and 2 children, my lord, they were residing, my lord, in an apartment which is located, my lord, at 16th floor in Golden Garden apartment at Yeshwanthpur. My lord, on the day of festival, my lord, they had prepared some special food. My lord, this lady went to keep, my lord, in the ladder, my lord, this that utensil. She slipped, my lord, and fallen from 16th floor to down. My lord, she sustained multiple injuries and died. My lord, everyone lodged a complaint, my lord, it is a case of accidental fall. The respondent number 4 here, my lord, who is the son, himself is the complainant. He wrote complaint in his handwriting, reported to the police that my mother died because of accidental fall. My lord, the police registered UTR. My lord, after UDR, my lord, the body was shifted to mortuary. Next day, my lord, body was preserved till the arrival of all the blood relatives. My lord, neighbors were all secured. The police investigated. My lord, the apparent cause of death during inquest was, it was an accident fall. Maybe by slip, the deceased might have fallen from 16th floor. My lord, this was consistent by virtue of even autopsy report conducted. Now, my lord, that this was over, my lord, the corpus was given, they performed funeral, my lord. After 15 days, my lord, the parties, my lord, they are from Punjab. They went to Punjab, my lord, to put this hasti in some river and all that. They returned back after 15 days, my lord, with the story that she committed suicide. They lodged a written complaint, my lord, that my mother committed suicide, and therefore the FIR, my lord, for 306 only registered.
Then when did 302 come?
302 comes in the charge sheet, my lord. Your lordship may kindly see, after 15 days, the FIR was for 306. My lord, investigation was taken up for 306. My lord, the accused was arrested immediately on 11/9. My lord, he was there in custody. After 15 days, he was granted bail. Once the father was granted bail, my lord, the son, my lord, he got annoyed. My lord, at the instigation of maternal uncle, my lord, one more petition was given. And my lord, they went to magistrate and gave a statement under 164 stating that it is not a case of neither suicide nor accidental fall. It may be a case of murder. My lord, now this, from this stage onwards, my lord, after 164 statement, investigation, my lord, was continued for 302. My lord, no legal material could be collected. Lordship may kindly see, neither there is a medical evidence to show that it is a case of homicidal death, nor any person deposed evidence that they saw that this accused committed any act which could constitute offense of homicidal act. My lord, in the absence of it, my lord, that they filed a charge sheet, my lord. In the meanwhile, my lord, what happened was, a pressure was that the investigation officer to be changed. Now, my lord, that a petition was given to commissioner. Commissioner, my lord, that he did not pass any order. The DCP, he passed one letter, my lord, stating that let the investigation officer be changed. My lord, originally the matter was before RMC police station inspector. He issued a letter, my lord, stating that Bagalgunta police inspector may take over this investigation, investigate the matter. From that stage onwards also, my lord, he could not collect any material with regard to the overtake that was committed by this accused, which should constitute
Charge
offense
sheet
of
is
302.
filed by which investigating officer?
Bagalgunta police, my lord, that police inspector. Here, one point of law, your lordship may kindly consider. My lord, the transfer order which was given by DCP